with cooling sensation. This is IMO Cool Red Eyes.
I'm feeling I want. I'm feeling I want. I'm feeling I want. I'm feeling I want.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Say hello to Encounter's first eye drop for red eyes with cooling sensation. Let's all say hello to IMO Cool Red Eyes. No more pushing through the redness, no more breaking through the irritation, everyone, and no more overheated, stressed, tired eyes just begging for a break. Because IMO Cool Red Eyes is here, and it's the very first cooling eye drop for red eyes. And we have instant freshness, instant comfort, and a cool relief for your eyes. So, this is not just a new product. This is a new standard for eye care because this is IMO upgraded. This is IMO refreshed. And this is IMO recharged. And it is my absolute honor to officially... Whoa. What's happening? What's happening, guys? Hello? I think we're having some... Whoa. Ano kaya to? Everyone, what is this? Come on, what is this? Well, we have a surprise for you. Are you excited? Woo!
Magandang araw! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa isang pharmacy kung saan may nakakatuwang kwento si Miss Lourdes. Bakit po ba parang ang saya-saya niyo ngayon, Miss Lourdes?
Naku, kasi po kanina, napapalitan ka na ayaw ko na siyempre hindi crush na crush ko.
Sino po kaya yan?
Sabi ko po sa inyo, sobrang bait niya, sobrang guwapo. Sabi nga sa akin eh, kita niyo nung nag-refresh at recharge, kaya siyempre hindi na ayaw yung tulad.
Wow! Mukhang pati siya kailangan ng cooling relief.
Totoo po yan, sabi niya sa akin, ang sarap na sa akin eh, naman sa request ko.
Anyways, mukhang hindi lang yan mga kaibigan dahil balita ko na siya dyan sa ating event. At syempre, sige nga, pakicheck na kung nandiyan na siya ngayon.
OMG! Okay! So that just happened. But, nandito na nga ba siya? Nandito na ba siya? OMG, I think nandito na siya, guys! One of the country's coolest young actors today, our Gen Z favorite, and IMO Cool Red Eyes proud user. Let us all welcome Mr. Dustin Yu. Oh, wow! Congratulations! Woo! Hello there, Mr. Ryder. Sino ba tong rider na po? OMG! Ang fast rider ba siya? Oh, hello! Let's give it up for Mr. Dustin Yu, everybody! Wow! Wow! Dustin, grabe naman ang entrance mo!
No? Siyempre, dapat cool tayo ngayon. Kasi parang, for me, ito na yung pinaka-cool na entrance. Ito na yung pinaka-cool na launching event na
So talagang deserve yung cool entrance mo kanina.
Sobra.
Grabe yung effort. Oo, sobra. Sobrang approved. Tsaka good thing na helmet ka. Safety first.
Tayo, siyempre.
Everybody, let's give a round of applause for Mr. Dustin Yu right here. Alam mo, Dustin, sobrang cool mo talaga kanina. And I think gusto namin malaman lunch inherent. So, I heard that you are a proud user of I'm a Cool Red Eyes, right?
100% yun na. Kasi ako talaga, quick brief background lang sa akin. Sensitive kasi talaga yung eyes ko. So ever since, actually ngayon,
Oh, wow! May hindi ka nauna ka pa sa amin.
Kasi ever since talaga, lagi na siya sa pocket ko. Kasi, mahilig ako sa activities like basketball, sports, tapos yung work ko pa, parang buong araw, di ba? So, mabilis mapagod yung eyes ko. So, pag gano'n,
Talagang ang go-to mo is ang I'm a Cool Red Eyes.
Yes.
Actually guys, hindi nyo lang nakikita, pero close up, sobrang puti ng eyes ni Dustin. Oo.
Ako kanina sa labas eh, before ako mag-helmet, tatakbo lang ako syempre.
Grabe. So Dustin, walk us through it. Kailan mo unang ginamit yung I'm a Cool Red Eyes?
Well ako, yun nga, ever since talaga, yun na talaga yung trusted brand ko ng eye drops. Ever since Imo Moisture pa lang, yun yung ginagamit ko. But since na-launch itong Imo Cool Red Eye drops, ito na yung gamit ko. Kasi for me, mas may cooling effect siya. So, alam mo naman sa work natin, di ba?
Yes.
Kailangan refresh. Kailangan recharge.
Busy mo.
Sobrang busy, yes.
So, alam mo, we also have to talk about the journey you've been part of. Kasi parang ang dami nyo nang nagawa together with Imo, no? Like the
Yes.
past few days.
Oo.
So, how did this whole thing start for you, Dustin?
Well, nag-start siya nung, siyempre, finish mo siya sa akin. Nagulat niya ako eh. Kasi parang yung activity na gagawin namin is very engaging. Nag-event kami sa isang area, tapos sumayaw ako.
Really?
Oo.
Yung sayo ba na ginagawa kanina dito yung mga dancers?
Kasi malupit pa doon.
Sample, sample. Ang sample ni Dustin mamaya na lang. You know, Dustin, I love that. And I think what makes it so genuine is talagang nag-start ka from using Imo. And eventually, you are, pwede ko ba itong sabihin? You are the face of Imo. Cool Red Eyes, right?
Of course. Grabe, napakasaya ko kasi dati ginagamit ko lang siya. Ngayon, matutulungan ko ng
Spread. Yung talagang correct.
Paano alagaan yung mata ko.
Yeah. Kasi parang sa akin normal lang eh, no? Pero ngayon, talagang red eye is not something na kailangan natin i-endure.
Yes.
Right?
That's true, that's true.
So, Dustin, paano ba nag-react ang mga, syempre tayo yung fans, di ba? Paano sila nag-react? May fans na rin si Dustin. Woo!
Of course, paano sila nag-react? Of course, ever since alam naman nila na talagang sensitive yung mata ko, nakikita naman nila ako na lagi ako nagpapatak sa mata ko. Pero syempre, at that time, hindi ko pa sinasabi or share kung ano talaga yung ginagamit ko. But ngayon na alam na nila, of course, first things first, syempre super excited nila for me. And I'm sure na they're proud of me also.
Oh, grabe naman. So, maraming salamat dyan, Dustin. And you know, the thing about Gen Zs, they know us we're not, right?
Yes, mga Gen Z sila eh. Lahat sila mga Gen Z talaga eh.
Lalo na sobrang the information that we have on the internet, di ba? Sobrang tutok natin dyan. And clearly, they felt that it was real coming from you.
Yes.
Napaka-genuine mong tao, Dustin.
Yun naman talaga ang importante, tama?
Tama. And with that, maraming salamat, Dustin. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone.